Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is positive action. It's time to put some walk behind that talk, some bite behind that bark. You've been waiting for an opportunity to change your life. Now you understand the direction that you want to go. You understand what you want. Now it's the time to put positive energy and put action into developing that thing that you actually want. Faith without works are dead. You've been working on your strength, acceptance, your wisdom, and you become stronger. Now it's time to go after your blessings and go after the things that you want. Once you put positive action into it, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, they'll worry about how it gets to you. Just make sure you put in the proper work. I focus on the beauty in me and I find silence. I live and honor the present. By doing what I can now and what I can't change, I let go and entrust to God. So do what you can. Move forward towards your dreams. Put in that work. And watch how Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, they meet you in the middle and do their part and you excel to the next level. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.